So guys, finally I have reached to Calcutta. This is Dharamtola. I have finally come to Calcutta because last 3 to 4 days I was there in my village, but now I am at Calcutta because I was facing a lot of problems to upload videos on YouTube. So finally I have come here to my mess, and now I'm walking to my mess, and this is the time there is no bus, only there is taxi, auto, all these things, but there is no buses, so I can't go now. I have to wait for half an hour, and after that I can get buses and buses and metros and also railway. So now I have to wait for some minutes, and this is the road of Dharamtola road, a very main road, and every time is passing buses, not buses, taxis, all these things. So yeah, have to wait some minute to go to my room. So keep watching whole the video. I'm gonna share with you some videos, some clips in with Kolkata. You also. There is so many big building in Dharamtola. As you can see how much big all these buildings are. Here is a 42 tala buildings there is. I would like to share with you. In Calcutta, in basically in Dharamtola side, there you will be able to see so many buildings, those who are very much old, very much, British time, temple, British time buildings you will be able to see here. All these buildings are very much old, and there is 42 tala buildings. This is the highest building in Calcutta city. In West Bengal, in whole West Bengal, this is the highest building in West Bengal, 42 tala. Yeah, this kind of things. When I see that, I feel very much lucky that I can see all these things, because nowadays I am living in Calcutta. So yeah, I feel very much lucky. This is the Park Street Bridge. From here you can go for Howrah and PG, Victoria Memorial, all these places you can go from here through this bridge. And now you can see today it's a very good day, very fresh day, you can say, and I'm walking through this road because this is the very morning time, so there is no bus. That's why I have to wait some time, and after that I can get to go to my room. I was not getting any buses, metros, so I thought I can visit somewhere, and very close to Esplanade, I mean Dharamtola, there is a very good place, Victoria Memorial. By walking I have come here to see the morning view of Victoria Memorial, and also I'm gonna show you all that the views of the morning time Victoria Memorial, how looks like actually. So this is, guys, Victoria Memorial. Just see, this is Victoria Memorial, and this is very close to Esplanade. Just see, this is the morning view of Victoria Memorial. Evening time I try to come here, but this is the first time in the morning time I have come here. Just see how beautiful this place is. Yeah, really it is beautiful. This is very iconic monuments, you can say, monuments. Here is garden place, and also inside there is something about Netaji's. All these things are over there inside, and outside there is a garden this side, and also this side. This is 64 acres area. This area is only 64 acres. This is not only 64 acres, means too much area. From this side and behind this monument there is also like this place, vacant place, and this is the place. And guys, I am here. Yeah, this is very beautiful moments for me. Morning time, first time I have come here to see Victoria Memorial, and here is no one, no one. There is 2-3 boys, but maximum people are not here. But in the morning time, there you can't be able to stand here. Here would be so many people, but now there is totally vacant. Yeah, really, this morning, started with this Victoria Memorial. When I was Esplanade, there was, night. There was night, but now it's morning. And front of me there is Victoria Memorial. Yeah, just see. And there is so many birds. They are playing. They are making noise. They are making sing. You can say. Just see how much beautiful the Victoria is. Just guys, through this bus I will go. This is the Nakola minibus, so I can go through this bus. So, but it will be not stop or not. I don't know. Finally guys, I have reached to the gully where I stay in Calcutta. So within 15 seconds I will be entered in my room. So this is the video for today, and I have to take little bit rest. I'm feeling very much tired because whole night I was in the bus, so I could not take my sleep. So now I would like to take little bit sleep in my room and also have to little bit rest, and after that I will take little bit rest. So this video guys, I'm ending here. 4 to 5 hours I have to rest. So yeah, it's lot time. So that's all for today's video. I'll be back in another new English blog videos for you all. And yesterday I was in my village and now I'm in Calcutta, and good videos, good content I would like to upload. So that's all for today's video. Tada, bye bye.